Steamed eggplants with garlic sauce is a very popular Chinese home cooking dish, but when you steam the eggplants, they usually turn brown. So how do you preserve the eggplant's purple color? Stay tuned. I'd like to show you a simple trick so we can all start making the most delicious and beautiful eggplants right now. In a large container of water, add the white vinegar. Vinegar is our magic ingredient that will help to preserve the eggplant's purple color. I'm using white vinegar, but you can also replace it with rice vinegar. Trim off the ends of each eggplant. Quarter it lengthwise and cut it in half crosswise. Do the same with the rest. Transfer the eggplants into the water mixture and soak them for about 5 minutes. Place a plate on top so all the eggplants are submerged, and by doing so the eggplants wouldn't turn dark brown while cooking. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Discard the water and drain. In a bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and sugar. You can also add other seasonings that you enjoy. In a steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the eggplants inside. Steam for about 6 minutes until completely cooked through. Place the eggplants on a serving plate. Add the garlic, finger hot pepper, and scallions. In a small pan over high heat, add the avocado oil or other high smoking point oil that you enjoy. Heat it up until smoking hot. Pour the hot oil over the eggplants. Lastly, drizzle the sauce around the eggplants. Here I also have some interesting facts about eggplants. Eggplants are usually eaten as a type of vegetable, but did you know they're technically a type of fruit, as they grow from a flowering plant and have seeds? Eggplants also contain a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So everyone, stay positive, be kind, and happy cooking. Enjoy! It is super tender and has fully absorbed the sauce. The aroma is amazing. I hope that you can give it a try and let me know how you like it. So if you like today's episode, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!